let's start this video by a great quote by a great marketeer whose name is Seth Godin, and he says, build it and they would come. Works in movies, but in social media it is build it, nurture with them, care for them and engage with them, and they may come and stay. Hello people, my name is Jatin Shewaramani, and today I am going to talk about what is social media marketing. Now before talking about what is social media marketing, let's talk about what is marketing. See, marketing is anything and everything you do to get attention in marketplace, to get eyeballs in marketplace, or either onto you as a personal brand, or either onto your business, or either onto your products that you are selling. Okay, so that is marketing. Now let's talk about what is social media marketing. See, social media marketing is anything and everything you do to get attention in social media, to get eyeballs on social media. Either it can be onto you as a personal brand, or either it can be on your business. Okay, so that's social media. Now it can be in the form of influencer marketing, when you are collaborating with an influencer, or you are giving some money to an influencer to sponsor you. Okay, so that can be in the form of influencer marketing. It can be in the form of paid ads, where you are using Facebook advertisements or Instagram advertisements or other type of advertisements to get attention on social media. Or it can be in the form of like this type of content, where we are creating content and getting attention and getting brand awareness on social media. So that's pretty much simple social media marketing. Now you may be thinking, well Jatin, you told me about what is social media marketing. Now why it is important? I'm a fucking student. Okay, why it is important for me? I'm a business owner. Why it is important for me? Cool down. Okay, in the next coming video you are going to see why social media marketing is important. If you are a student, if you are a business owner, if you are any person on this, okay, and you want to know why social media marketing is important for me, why social media is important for me, then in the next video I'm going to exactly tell you about why social media is important for you. So stay tuned. So that's it. I hope you got the idea of what is social media marketing. Now let's wait for the next video, which is going to launch in 2 to 3 days from now on, why it is important. Okay, so that's it. I hope you got the message which I was trying to share with you. So just follow me, like this video, share it with your friends, and I would meet you some other time. Till then, bye bye.